enables you to manage your credit and underwriting logic without code. In this video, we'll take a look at a client scorecard and see how the data flows from input to decision.
This flow gives a visual representation of how data moves from inputs to different rules like education level, monthly salary, and number of months in their current employment. These factors are then compiled into a final score. It's easy to add additional nodes or rules to this flow, again, without any code. Our no-code decision tables allow non-technical users or your dev team to easily come and create new scorecards without code. Here, you can easily change variables or create new scorecards from scratch. We've seen teams go from months to days to generate new rules and scorecards with this Excel-like intuitive AI. Testing is integrated. I can come here to the test bench, create a sample payload, and run in debug mode to see which rules execute and why, and even see a sample output. This allows you to test before you ever move your rules to a different environment. Deployment is handled via versioned API endpoints. You build your scorecard, test in a sandbox, and can easily deploy with DecisionRules. DecisionRules also keeps a history of all changes made so you can easily revert to a previous version. You can test this template in a free trial and then connect it via the API keys to our live front-end app.
Hope you've enjoyed this short video on how you can streamline your lending logic with decision rules. Book a technical demo today with one of our seasoned experts in credit, lending, and risk.